Two seeds lay side by side in the fertile spring soil. The first seed said, I want to grow. I want to send my roots deep into the soil beneath me and thrust my sprout to the earth's crust above me. I want to unfurl my tender buds like banners to announce the arrival of spring. I want to feel the warmth of the sun on my face and the blessings of morning dew in my petals. And so she grew. The second seed said, I'm afraid. If I send my roots into the ground below, I don't know what I will encounter in the dark. If I push my way through the hard soil above me, I may damage my delicate sprouts. What if I let my buds open and a snail tries to eat them? And if I were to open my blossom, a small child may pull me from the ground. No, it's much better for me to wait until it is safe. And so she waited. A yard hen scratching around in the early spring ground for food, found the waiting seeds and promptly ate it. Which means those of us who refuse to risk and grow get swallowed up by life.